দাঁড়া এবার চ্যাট খুলে নি চ্যাট বক্সটা আসছে কই দেখেছিস তো ঠিক আছে গুড মর্নিং অল অফ ইউ how many joined 17 okay good morning all of you thank you okay can you hear me beta your board is clear okay then let's start now you all please take out okay fine let's start now you all please take out your math composite book and keep your notebook with you okay you all please take out your math composite book you cannot listen the now my voice is clear beta Debayon my voice is clear beta if it is your problem okay very good and let's start now Devayan if you have any problem not here then Devayan please disconnect yourself and connect again okay maybe your problem will be solved let's start now you all please take out your math composite book later on I will take your attendance not now okay you all please take out your math composite book and open page number 133 okay open page number 133 chapter number 17 and the chapter name is time and page number 133 previous class I already discussed chapter number 17 page number 32 132 and 33 half portion what activities you have to list some activities that you do in the morning afternoon evening and night that portion is completed okay today we will start from the next part look at the pictures you all please take out your book and follow me okay look at the pictures and write the part of the day for the activity shown look at the picture and write the part of the day for the activity shown write aim for the morning you have to write aim inside of the picture there have a space in a circle inside the circle you have to write aim it is if this activity if we do in the morning then aim if we do it in the afternoon then A evening E and night N okay clear beta now please open this page and follow me the first activity the boy is bathing right so this activity when do this when we take our bath beta in the morning yes very good of the afternoon okay afternoon generally in the morning we take bath okay when we come to school after bathing sometimes in the morning we take bath and then okay it depends number one you all please write a morning we take bath morning generally we should take bath morning okay sometimes we are feeling cold so maybe we are not taking bath in the morning next number 2 play outside outdoor games it is evening you all number 2 E means it is the evening activity next we study there is lamp is on table lamp this is also evening okay this is also study this is evening activity because you can see that beside the table lamp okay this is also evening activity we are going to school number 4 yes 4 morning who are telling afternoon we are going to school your school, when your school will start, it's 8 o'clock. That means it is morning. So number 4, aim. And number 5, we are watching TV. Watching TV, it is a night. Number 5, it is a evening or night activity. Maybe night, the night time we can, before going to bed, we watch some TV sometimes, and then it's a night activity. Write down N. Number 5, N. And number 6. Number 6, for school, this is a school bus. The boy is coming to school. It is a morning activity. It is a morning activity. Okay, this one, the boy is returning home from school. Returning home from school. So you can say this is a afternoon activity. Okay, so you can write number 6A. Number 6A. It is a afternoon activity. Okay, because maybe the boy is going after school. The boy is going to home. Okay, so this is you can write, this is A. And next one is sleeping. It is a night activity. Number 7. Number 7, it is a night activity. And the boy is sleeping. It is a night activity. And number 8, it is a tea. Taking breakfast. It is a morning activity. Number 8, it is a morning activity. Okay, it is a morning activity. Okay, then now arrange these activities in the correct order and write the order in the space provided below. Here you have to write the number. Okay, so you all please write down how many activities? 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. This 8 you have to write in order. First we take bath. First we take bath. So number 1. First number 1. Then we take our breakfast. Then we take our breakfast, right? After bath, number 8. 1, then 8. And then we come to school, right? This is number 4. Then number 4. Number 4. And then after school, we come back home. Number 6. After 4, then after school, we come back home. And then number 2. We play games outside, right? This is number 2. Then 3. After playing games, we reach home and then we sit for study. And next number 5. After study, we watch some entertainment, TV. We watch TV. Number 5. And then we go to bed for sleeping. Number 7. So you all please arrange it. First number 1, 8, 4, 6, 2, 3, 5, 7. Very good. Kaustubh, Sheikh, very good beta. Okay, completed all of you. Completed. Okay, Aryan. Okay. Then please all of you turn over the next page. Page number 134. Page number 134. I hope completed. Okay, fine. Where is the duster? Kapur, tai na? Okay, then turn over the next page. I already discussed this page. Still today I will also discuss now one more. You all please follow me. Turn over the next page, page number 134. Page number 134. Measuring time. Measuring time. How to measure the time? Right? Look at the given figure. This is a clock. You can see this is a clock. Yesterday, previous class, I told to draw a clock, and if you want to draw a clock for measuring properly, I told to draw a square, because in a square all the sides are same, we can measure it properly. In a circle also you can do it, no problem at all, any shape you can give. This is a clock. In this clock, the clock tells us the time. What time? The clock shows what time? Quick. Answer me quickly, beta. What does the, yes, very good, Sheikh Costa, very good, beta. 3 o'clock. Okay, this is a clock. The clock tells us the time. The face of the clock is called its dial. Okay. You can see here is measuring here to here, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In this manner, it is, there are 12 numbers. You can see there are 12 numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. There are 12 numbers. Okay, on the face of the clock, you can see in this clock there are 12 numbers. A clock has two hands, generally two hands. One is minute hands and another one is hour hands. Minute hands, there is a long hand and the short hand. Long hands indicates the minute, so it is a minute hands, and the short hand indicates the hours, so it is hour hands. Okay, and one more, another hands is also there. This is the second, indicates the second. This is the second hands. In the clock shown above, you can see the short hands, it's called the hour hand, already told, and the long hands is called the minute hands. In the clock shows above, the hour hand is at 3. This is the hour hand. This is the short hand, it is the hour hand, indicates 3. And the long hands means minute hand indicates 12. Minute hands indicate 12. We say that the time is 3 o'clock. That means the time is 3 o'clock, or we can say 3 o'clock in this way also. Okay. Now, in the clock shown here, the hour hand, it is at 7. Now, in this clock, I will change the hand. Now, the hour hands, it indicates 7. The short hand indicates 7 and the long hand indicates 12. Then what's the time now? Yes, very good, Priyankshi. It is 7 o'clock. The minute hand indicates 12 and hour hand indicates 7. That means it is 7 o'clock. Yes, very good. 7 o'clock. Or we can say 7 in this way also. Okay, then turn over the next page. You all please turn over the next page, page number 135. Here we will write the Time. What time? Write the time shown by each of the following clocks. One has been done for you. 1 o'clock. Next we will write what time shows, what time tells in this clock. Okay? We will write now. Now I will draw one clock and write in this clock. I will just change the hand. It is clear, beta? I will just change the hands. Okay. Now the first number 1 is done for you. No need to write. It is 1 o'clock. Next 9 o'clock. Very good. All of you write down. This is 9 o'clock. You all will write in the two ways. Both the ways. 9 o'clock. And the second you just write in this manner. 9 o'clock and like this. And the number, next number 3. This is number 2. Next I will draw the hands in the same clock. Okay, I will change the hand only. Next number 3. This is 6 o'clock. Very good. You all please write down 6 o'clock. And in this manner also both 6 o'clock. Next I will 4. Next number 4. 4, 10. The short hand indicates 10. That means the hour hand indicates 10 and the minute hand indicates 12. That means 10 o'clock. This is 10 o'clock. Very good, beta. Next, this is 10 o'clock. Next, number 5. Next number 5. I will change the hand. Only here I am changing our hand because 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, when you show it, then always the minute hand indicates 12 and hour hand indicates that. Suppose if 1 o'clock, our hand indicates 1, 2 o'clock indicates 2, 3 o'clock, in this manner. Next, number 5. It is 5 o'clock. It indicates, the small hand indicates, our hand indicates 5. That means 5 o'clock. You all please write down 5 o'clock. 5. Next, number 6. Next, number 6. Number 6 indicates 8. Our hand indicates 8 and minute hands indicate 12. That means 8 o'clock. 8 o'clock. And next number, next number 7. Next number 7. 7. The hour hand indicates, the hour hand indicates 2. Our hands indicates 2. That means 2 o'clock. Very good all of you. 2 o'clock. And the next number 8. Next number 8. Number 8. Look here in this clock, both the hands indicates 12. There is 2 arrows, that means both the hands indicate 12. That means it is 12 o'clock. When you will follow, you will notice that when it's 12 o'clock, that time both the hands are in same position, right? It is 12 o'clock. Okay. Okay, very good beta. Next picture, number 9. Next number 9. The minute hand indicates 12 and our hands indicate 3. That means 3 o'clock. 3 o'clock. Okay. Completed beta? Have you completed this part? Okay, very good. Today this much. Now I will take your attendance. Completed. Then daily routine, next class I will discuss. Okay? Daily routine I will discuss next class. Not now. Now I will take your attendance. Don't leave the class. Okay? Adrija Kole present. Adrija Kole. Next Alokendu Vishwas present. Anirban Roy present. Aritro Ganguly present. Aritro Seth present. Aryan Sheikh present. Arunabh Das present. And then Darsh Samanto present. Then Darsh Samanto, yes, present. And Debayon Mollik present. Kaustubh Shaha Jiyad Khan present today. Okay. Kaustubh Shaha present. Then okay, Kaustubh Shaha, Mohiyan Chakraborty. Don't leave the class. Mohiyan Chakraborty present. Niladri Chakraborty present. And Oishi Mukherjee present. Oishi Mukherjee present. Priyankshi Kundu present. And Rishi Ghoshal present. And then Shanaya Yasmin present. Okay. Saptarshi Chatterjee present. Siddharthi De present. Sheikh Parvez Rahman present. Sheikh Shujana Hossain. This name is not here. Sheikh Shujana SU. Sheikh Shujana Hossain present. Shouvik Pal present. Srinika Mondol present. Okay. And Shubhodip Chakraborty means Shushweta. Shushweta Sarkar. What's the title beta? Okay, present. Shuriya Parveen present. Okay, fine. Debayon Mollik present. Okay, Jiyad Khan not present. Shuriya Parveen present. Shubhechha Naik. Okay. How many present today? 25. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 22, 23, 24, 25. Okay, fine. Okay, for today this much. See you next class. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye bye beta. Bye all of you.